We evaluate and test the supplier and his material, like how it is according to our site, our use, and is fitted to our condition. These criteria directs or decides to care about the things like quality, cost, and reliability. In quality, we should test and check the quality of the material that the supplier is supplying. The things to check in quality, like we take example of a mechanical part like gearbox, is the supply of gearbox properly. Then we should check the smoothness of the gear and test the gear, like shifting the gear. It is not causing any problem in shifting the gear. We should check the teeth of the gear and other parts also. Another example, like checking the quality of the sand material supplied by the supplier in a construction of a building. In cost, we should not select the supplier in a hurry, as he is giving the material at a low cost. We should compare the rates of various material supplier and check the quality if it is okay. And if there is a difference in the cost, then we should go for the supplier with the minimum cost, who is providing the same quality that we want. In reliability, if the cost and quality is good, but giving the material late or delaying the supply of the materials, it causes increase in the labor cost and the site is at a standstill because of the delay. Another example, if we need 1 truck of material, but he is sending 4 trucks of material because he has some pending material to dispose of, then we have to take care of the extra material. We have to store that extra material. As the material is more, it increases the lead time, but we should focus on minimizing the lead time. These are some of the factors in reliability of a supplier.